Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making soft, chewy burger buns with avocado mayo. While cooking, let's remember that I have the power to let go of my negative thoughts and align the self with thoughts that reflect my divinity. Let's start with some water in a bowl. Add some sugar and yeast and mix. And to this we will add first chapati flour. Chapati flour is a whole wheat flour. It's a white whole wheat flour. If you don't have chapati flour, then just use whole wheat flour. Let's take 1 cup of chapati flour, and we are also going to use 2 cups of bread flour. If you don't have bread flour, then you can use all-purpose flour, but try to find bread flour. It's gives it a really good consistency. Now let's do the tangzong. The tangzong is done by mixing 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and half a cup of water. And you keep whisking on medium heat till it all comes together like you're seeing on the screen. There, that's how it should look. But it should cool before you add it to the dough. So cool it completely and then add it to the dough. I mix it all up at the same time. Now add some salt and 1 cup of avocado mayo. I've already posted a video on how to make avocado mayo, but if you don't have avocado mayo, you can just add about 3/4 cup of avocado and 1/4 cup of water. And you knead it by hand. You can actually use a dough machine. For this recipe, I decided to knead it by hand, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes of kneading. At this point, if the dough is not sticky enough, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and you keep kneading. Keep kneading, keep kneading. You should knead it till the dough doesn't stick to your hand. If the dough is sticking to your hand, that means it needs some more kneading. There, it's sticking, and so I kept kneading for another 10 minutes. And you keep kneading. See, now it's not sticking. Pinch off a small portion of the dough and spread it like a membrane, like a translucent membrane there. That means it's done. Now let it rise for an hour. Cover it. And this is the first rise. So in a warm place, let it rise for an hour, and that's how it looks. After an hour, I weighed each and every burger bun, but that's me. I'm an OCD person. But if you're not OCD and you don't mind approximate, try to do about 10 buns. In the amount of dough, you will get 10 buns. And this is how you form the burgers. You stretch the dough first, then fold it in, make it into a ball, and then make it into a disc shape. And flatten the discs. There. So make it into a disc shape and flatten the discs. And now you're going to let it rise for another 45 minutes to an hour till they're double in size. Now I'm going to do a wash. Take 1/4 cup of plant milk and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix it very well and cover the buns. And then let it rise the second time. So first bake the buns, put the wash on, then let it rise, and then again you put the wash on. Now sprinkle with some sesame seeds, and at this point you have to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake in a preheated oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. And there they are. After they come out, spray with olive oil or any kind of neutral flavored oil. It gives the burger some sheen and also it prevents the burger from drying. There you have some amazing looking burger buns. Look at them, they look so gorgeous. But before we taste it, let's remember I have the power to let go of my negative thoughts and align the self with thoughts that reflect my divinity. Let's taste this. It's really nice. There's a slight tint of the mayo. Soft. It's really good. You should try it at home.